This review is of Let's Bake Baking Gifts Bake in Brownie Skillet. It includes rich fudgy brownie baking mix. And it is a real cast iron skillet. Oh, show me the side, please. Side? There we go. And these are the instructions. You season the skillet before and after use. Warnings to reseason. Flip to the other side, please. And bottom. Okay, and now this side. All right, nutrition. Wait, is there anything special about this? Made in China. Everything's made in China these days. Almost, anyways. And in order to make this, you need brownie mix, eggs, water, and oil. Nutrition facts. 1/2 gram of fat that is not saturated or trans, supposedly. No cholesterol, 60 milligrams of sodium, 13 grams of carbs, of which none of that is fiber, all of it's added sugars, and 1 gram of protein. The directions, and then here are the ingredients. Unfortunately, they've used maltodextrin, which has 2 to 3 times the glycemic index of sugar. And palm oil. Oh, thanks so much. And the cocoa has been ruined with alkali. All right, let's give it a try. So here it is, finally finished in this teeny tiny little pan. I need to ask for your help. Yesterday I had my shoulder replaced. It's achy. I've got a fever. My right hand is swollen because the nurse who put the IV in did a bad job, and that resulted in the hand getting filled up with liquid from my IV drip instead of going into my blood vessel until they figured it out, and then they put it in my leg, my foot, to be specific. If you'd like to help me, please like, subscribe, share, comment, even a short one. Turn on notifications. Those will all help on my channels. Also, if you would like to help financially to support me, to continue to do this, or just support in general, doesn't matter. You can become a member here. You can use super thanks here, or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII. Thank you. And we're going to give it a try now. Not bad. Now, I do recommend that if you're going, when you're going to season the pan, that you use a neutrally flavored oil. So oils that have a strong flavor are going to impart that flavor into your baked goods if you're doing baked good like this. So I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon fired me under false pretenses. And on the 17th, I had surgery for the injury that occurred at Amazon that Amazon and Sedgwick refused to take responsibility for. So it's coming out of my pocket and my insurance company's pocket. So that means I'm unemployed, and I will not be getting short-term disability from Amazon or from Sedgwick. So my financial situation is a bit of a problem right now. If you would like to help me, there are some things you can do. Number 1, you can like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications on my channels. Number 2, if you'd like to give a one-time donation, and please don't do this if you can't afford it, you can, on the Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, do a super thanks. Number 3, if you would like to help me on a monthly basis, you can become a member on Glenn's Fast Reviews. And or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thank you so much for your support.